In this video from Device Doctor, we are going to fix Zebra ZC300 series error 5007. This printer shows ribbon color detection failed, and we will solve this problem step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Now let me show you the problem clearly. On the printer screen, you can see error 5007. First, lift the scanner cover and remove the printer ribbon. First, lift the scanner cover and remove the printer ribbon. Now use a clean and soft cloth to gently clean the printer sensor. If you have an air spray, use it to blow the dust off, or you can use a hairdryer to do the same. This will remove dust from the sensor. Now close the top cover of the printer. Wait for the printer to get ready again. Be careful at this stage. Do not put the ribbon back inside the printer yet. Next, go to the control panel and open Devices and Printers. Find your printer in the list. Make sure your printer driver is installed on your computer, and it is best to use Windows 10 or 11. Right-click on your printer and open Printing Preferences. Now from here, open the Advanced option. Now open the Sensors and Calibration option. Now open the Calibration option. Now calibrate the printer once. Now, put the ribbon back into the printer and close the printer cover. Wait for the printer to get ready. Now, the Zebra ZC300 printer is fully ready and the error 5007 has been fixed. You can see it prints perfectly without any issues. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Device Doctor for more printer repair tutorials.